me break my heart.
Darling, you are the only one I need.
No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid.
Just as long as you kiss me before you leave.
So baby, put your hands on me. Put your hands on me right now. You're the only one I need. So baby, put your hands on me. Both hands on me. When we dance, put your hands all over me.
Let's learn Hands on Me. It's choreographed by Willie Brown. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section, showing both the non-turning and the turning option listed on the step sheet using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall with both options using steps and counts. We're then going to go around and dance 4 walls of the dance, alternating between the non-turning and the turning option, so you can choose which one works best for you or your group, so you can hopefully dance this dance on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Hands on Me. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot forward but slightly across our left, and you're going to sweep your left from back to front. You're now going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, and sweep your right from front to back. You're now going to cross your right behind your left and step your left foot to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. Step sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make an eighth of a turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot forward into the 10-30 diagonal. You're now going to kick your left low and forward. You're going to step back with your left. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, squaring yourself back up to 12 o'clock. And then you're going to make an eighth of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot into the 130 diagonal and kicking your right low and forward. We're now going to do a full count eighth turning coaster step. So we're going to step back with our right. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot next to your right to square up to 12 o'clock, and then step forward with your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your eighth turn with a kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Section 3, we're going to hold for a count. We're then going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're then going to cross your left over your right, and you're going to hold. This next part is where you can either choose to not turn or to turn. The non-turning option would be to step your right foot to the right side and then cross your left behind your right. Now, if you would like to turn, what you're going to end up doing is like a reverse rolling vine. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6. Now, this next part is what would lead you into the next section. So you would turn over your left shoulder, making a quarter turn, doing that big step to the right, and you would continue the section by dragging your toe in. So let's try the non-turning option and the turning option with count. So first we're going to do the non-turning option. We would have just stepped for 1, you're holding for 2. You're going to do your quarter pivot. 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. And then you would go into the next section. So now let's try the turning option. We just stepped for 1, hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8, 1. And that would go into your next section, that quarter turn step. So now, section 4. If we did the non-turning option, we would have our left behind our right. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to drag your left toe into your right. We're then going to rock our left foot behind our right and recover onto your right foot. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side, and you're going to sway your hip to the left, and you're going to hold. You're now going to do 2 quick sways, right, left, and then you would start the dance all over again. Now, if you did the turning option, that quarter turn with our drag would have been 1, 2. You're going to continue that dance from our rock back. So we're going to rock back, recover, and then you would step to the side, sway, hold, sway, sway. So the real only difference is that your count 1 for section 4 will be a quarter turn instead of a straight step to the side. So now let's try it with some counts. We would be crossed behind or we would be stepped forward depending on which you chose. Either way, we're going to step our right foot to the right side and drag that left toe in. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. And then that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it through with steps and counts, one time with the non-turning option and then one time with the turning option. Weight is on your left foot. We're going to do our step, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, diagonal step, kick, back, side, diagonal step, kick, coaster, step, hold, step, quarter, cross, hold, side, behind, side, drag, rock back, recover, step, side, sway left, hold, sway right, sway left. Let's try it. The turning option. Weights on your left foot. You're going to do your step, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, diagonal step, kick, back, side, diagonal step, kick, back, together, forward, hold, step, quarter, cross, hold, quarter, back, half forward, quarter, side, drag, rock back, recover, step, left and sway, hold, sway, sway. All right, now let's try it with counts. The first time we do it is going to be the non-turning option. The second time will be the turning option. Weights on your left foot. You're doing your step sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try the turn with counts. Weights on your left foot. You're doing your step sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now we're going to go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Those will be our non-turning option walls. The side walls, I'm going to use counts. Those will have the turning option so that you can practice and see which one you may like better. Weight's going to start on your left foot. We're starting with our non-turning option. Step, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, diagonal step, kick, back, side, diagonal step, kick, back, together, forward, hold, step, quarter, cross, hold, side, behind, side, drag, rock back, recover, step, sway, sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, diagonal step, kick, back, side, diagonal step, kick, back, together, forward, hold, step, quarter, cross, hold, side, behind, side, drag, rock back, recover, step, sway, sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So remember, you can choose to do the non-turning option for the entire dance if you choose, or you can choose to do the turning option for the entire dance, or you could teach your group both, and then you could pick and choose and see which one works best for you. I hope this helps you learn hands on me. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.